Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. In this guided meditation session, we are going to learn how to write letter to the universe. Let's start. First, I will tell you how to write letter and then will tell you how to get instant result from this scripting or letter writing to universe. You need to take pen and paper and sit down in comfortable position. Keep your mind and body in relaxed position. To write a letter, you need to collect good and positive vibes as this letter is going to give you large amount of benefits, large amount of positive impact in your life. Universe is going to fulfill your wish by this letter. In first step, you need to start writing with lovable gratitude towards universe. You can start as, Dear universe, I am thankful for this beautiful and amazing life. By writing these words, you are showing your positive gratitude to universe. It will help universe to understand that you accept power of universe. In second step, you need to write your wish. And to write your wish, you need to follow positive pattern with gratitude note. Your wish needs to be in a present tense. You can start as, I am certain and happy and thankful that, so on. Whatever your wish, you need to write that. After these words, you need to write your wish in present tense. As example, if you want to attract money, then you can write, I am certain and happy and thankful that I have $1 billion in my account, and it feels so good that I can shop anything which I want. Money comes to me unexpectedly and easily. I have abundant money in my life. These $1 million of money helping me to live my happy life. I am using this money wisely. By stating this, you are already claiming that you have millions of dollars in your account. And as that money is yours, you can shop whatever you want. In a law of attraction world, you will find magic can happen at any point of time, and that is the reason you are confident enough that money will come to you unexpectedly and easily. You are pretty sure as it is ongoing activity, and that is the reason you are using word abundant for money, so it will stay with you long life. You are showcasing universe that your life is happy due to this money. Also, you giving assurance to universe that you are wise person so you will use money wisely. After this, you need to write thank you in the big letters at the end of the letter, so it will show your gratitude. It will add more positive energy in your letter. There are many people in the world showing their gratitude towards universe and writing their letters. So you need to add your clear signature at the bottom of the letter. So this message is passed from your end. You are writing this letter to universe to fulfill your desire. So you need to set a period in which universe is going to fulfill your desire and deliver your desire to you. For that, you need to add particular future date on letter. So your desire will get locked by that date. Please note, you need to write date which will come in future after 30 or 40 days. Or you can pick a date for a longer duration as well. Now, you might think why you need to add future date after 30-40 days. So, reason is you are going to read this letter for next 30 days. Yes, you really need to read this letter minimum 30 days in your voice. So, your letter affirmations will get passed on the universe. It will be great if you will read this letter loudly, so your conscious and subconscious mind will repeat this affirmation. If someone wants to repeat this affirmation for more than 30 days, then that is completely fine. While reading this letter, you need to have a belief that your wish is already delivered to you in invisible form. In this time frame, universe is creating circumstances and adding possible situations or persons in your life to fulfill your desire. This is extremely powerful and beneficial for you, especially if you are someone who has a lot of doubts about this. Just keep in your mind, while you are doing this law of attraction, don't keep any doubts in your mind. You need to remember, you are totally blessed with extremely powerful universe, and you are receiving direct energy or power from universe using law of attraction by your thought process and mindset. Whatever your desire will be, it will get come true by this law of attraction. It is just a matter of belief and faith and trust that you showcase towards universe, and in a result, law of attraction will grant your wish. It will get completed. Remember, action is also going to play important role over here. Don't forget, in real world, you need to take appropriate actions to work on your goal, on your desire. There is a most powerful quote in law of attraction world, and that is, you get what you believe. Remember, on all your thoughts, universe always says, your wish is on my command. Good day.